Alright guys, so this is the progress I've been making with the heads. Got all the valves out. Yep, sitting over there on the cardboard. Got this cleaned pretty well. I used it a little bit. I used this one, worked for a little while, and then it totally destroyed itself. It worked pretty good. And then got that surface cleaned. I've got this in here somewhat cleaned. I still gotta take this new valve out, new valve spring and valve out. Then I've got the exhaust side clean. Probably gonna clean this a little bit more because I want to make sure I don't have any manifold leaks. And then I got to do a little bit more cleaning on the intake side. You can see right down here, still there's a lot of crap down there. So yeah, we're gonna keep cleaning that, and I got to clean this whole surface off. And then once we're done with that, put all the valves back in. Once these cleaned out, put the new valve springs in, and this head. We'll put some new spark plugs in here, and then this head will be all set to go. We're gonna move on to this head. I've already got this surface cleaned off well. I've got this surface cleaned off. Got to take all the valves out, do that, and should be in pretty good shape. So stay tuned. Hopefully we'll be putting the heads on the motor soon, and then we got to be putting the ARP rod end cap bolts in, and then after that, put the heads back on, new head gaskets. I'm sanding these things, valve covers down a little bit. I'm going to go for kind of the polished aluminum, or the, not polished, but basically like a, like a sanded, brushed aluminum look. So that's what I'm looking for here. I got to do quite a bit more on this one, and it'll look pretty decent. I mean, the coils are going to be sitting on top of here, so you're not really going to see them as much. And then hopefully going to be painting the block soon, hopefully this weekend. And then the motor's going to be pretty close to being set, other than putting the intake on. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're back. Today what we're going to be working on is getting these new end cap bolts. I've got new ARP bolts for these things. We're putting these in, and taking the old ones out, putting new ones in, torquing them down. I got to take the gasket off the oil pan, clean these surfaces, and then we'll get the bottom end wrapped up and all taken care of and set to go. So I got the block nice and painted, or sanded down, just about ready for paint. Got to go over with some alcohol, and we'll be ready to paint it. So stay tuned. Hopefully we're gonna have this motor. I'd like to have it done by the end of the week, so we'll see how that works out. Good angle. Alright guys, welcome back. Today we made some pretty good progress on the frame. Got it all sanded down, got it all painted. Kinda hard to tell in this light, but turned out pretty good. Got the whole rear end. Get ready to put the Walbro 450 in there. I'll have another clip for